What's up, Taylor? Caden, Carter, hey! Alright, Taylor, I didn't really feel like doing it for YouTube today. I'm gonna do it for you personally. Alright, so what I'm gonna need you to do is get your bowl. I'm gonna need you to put 2 cups of flour in your bowl. Alright, 2 cups of flour. Alright, I'm gonna need you to grab some lemon pepper, some black pepper, and some salt. I need you to put a teaspoon of each one in here. So, not a teaspoon, a tablespoon. So that's 1 tablespoon black pepper, tablespoon salt. Do a half spoon. Don't put a whole. You don't want it to be too salty. So do a half a tablespoon of salt. Mix it up. Just like that. Alright. Then your next step gonna be to crack you some 3 eggs. 1. 2. 3 eggs. And do about a tablespoon of this hot sauce, red hot. Drop that into your egg mix. Stir them up. Nice and real good like that. You see that? Can you see that? Stir them up. Alright. Now I'm going to need you to get you some Panko breadcrumbs. Pour them into this bowl. Now you can get you either some seasoning salt or whatever. It's some shrimp seasoning or whatever. And I want you to take that and put it on your shrimps. You know how to season your shrimps up, right? You flip them. Can you see me? You can see me? All right. I don't know how long this video is going to go. I don't know if I can send a super long video this long over the phone. Do you know? I don't think so. All right. Now what you want to do? Get you some shrimps. I'm gonna do them all. Oh. I want you to dip them in this flour. Then put them in a strainer. That's the only thing about shrimps. It's messy to make. Trying to get them all. Can she see?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I feel like I'm cooking like I'm at the restaurant. We at the restaurant.
Mm-mm.
All right. Now, come over here to the sink. And just shake them off. As you see.
Mm-hmm.
All right, shake them off. Because what we doing right now, Taylor, is we battering them up. Ain't nothing. Okay. All right, now we back over here. All right. Now you want to take it. You want to take a couple of them? Drop them in your egg yolk. Then drop them in your Panko breadcrumbs. Coat them real good. Just like that. And it should come out looking like this. Okay. Trying to do this a little quick. A little swifty. All right. You want to try to get off as much egg yolk as you can. Yeah. Just like that. Okay. So just so you can get an idea of what I'm doing, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start cooking them. I don't know if I can send this video or not, because it may be too long to send, but make sure the grease is hot, preferably about 350. And the best way to cook them is to deep fry them, Taylor. So, drop them in this grease. And go. So it should take about between 3 and 4 minutes to cook, and then you'll be done. I don't know if I can sit on this video for 3 to 4 minutes. Huh? No, I'm just going. Now, you know what? I talked to Carter. Hey, Carter, where you at, man? Come here. Come here, Carter. Put them up. You want to put them up? Huh? You want to put them up? Where your brother at? Tell Katie, hey, you told me about battle today, boy. You talking real good. Hey, your granddaddy can't wait to see y'all. You know, I hope I get to see y'all before y'all get about 6 feet tall. You know what I'm saying? So, but let's get back to this shrimp. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that right there. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, yeah. All right. Let me take them out. Hold on. That was the quickest 2-3 minutes ever, wasn't it?
Right.
Okay, Taylor. 2-3 minutes. That's what we looking like. No, I'm just gonna take them out like that. I ain't even gotta do all that other stuff. Woo, baby, they hot. Okay, Taylor. So here you go. This is how you make them. So let me know when you do it at home. Let me know. You want to try one?
Baked potato.
Want to try one?
Mmm.
Yeah, buddy.
Mmm. Mmm.
Okay, Taylor. It pops out. I'm gone. It's time to eat some shrimps. Peace out. Bye-bye.